friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with my current Felicity Jane box. I'm going to move my coffee out of the way. Hold on. I just had to get a sip. I tell you what, if I could get a hot cup of coffee, I never get to the hot part. Oh, my husband just called me and he said, come here, come here. I was making the other video and my loofahs have blooms on them that big. They're just gorgeous. My loofah plants, like you have a loofah sponge, that's what I'm growing. And he's like, come here, come here. And then we looked at all the buds and everything. And then another high wind storm is coming in, which was great. It's so hot out there, but goodness, I could hear it. It was thundering. I've been listening to the thunder for a few minutes now, and before he came and got me, and it just is so black and ominous, but looks like it's just going to miss us, and we sure need just a little bit of rain. But no storms, please, Lord. So, anyways, all right, friends. Oh, I forgot I had this. Isn't that cute? I don't know why this is in here. I think I'd ordered it and it came in. Isn't that cute? This kitchen runs on mason jars and wooden spoons. That's my kitchen. All right. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to try to show you what the inside of the box looks like. So you know how beautiful they do it. You've got a beautiful ribbon, and I've had this box plus I don't get my mail as early as I like. So hello summer, and then here's all the good information for Felicity Jane. And I'm going to pull this out so as not to keep bumping the camera, and I will open it from over here. And I'm sure my husband's going to come in here in a minute and say, honey, honey, come here, come look. So I'm going to wipe this down because our post office is, you know, it's country. So, and we have been just as much a part of it. We have had all the bees come through there. We've never shipped chicks. We've never had to. Anyway, so, and I always save the ribbons, and they go up in there. And then I always save the tissue. And hold on, I'm going to pull that out next. This tissue is gorgeous. It has these beautiful scallops. So those of you that are in camp, I was saying, our new Bible journaling camp, save your tissue. I save everything. It's right up here. I put it in a box. So as soon as I get finished with y'all, I will do that. And then they also send everything in these, and I save these in a bag, and I just put them in a grocery store bag, and then I use them when I do gifts. I was watching somebody the other day on YouTube going, I don't know what I'd do with these, but I guess I'll save them. And I was like, I know what you could do with those. Easter baskets, minimum. So I guess this month is Amanda. So I think this is the July. It is. Aren't the colors gorgeous? I've seen this, you've seen this probably on social media, but each page has these colors in it. And then of course we have the solids, and they're two-sided. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There should be a 6th one. But anyways, so you get 3 pages, and they're the two different, each side has a different color. I adore this. Matter of fact, when I put together my kit for the camp, I threw in extra paper from Felicity Jane. That was one of the things I pulled. So, all right, so there's that. And then, so let's meet Amanda. Isn't she cute? Oh my goodness, she is so cute. She just looks like summer. So, let's look really quickly before my husband comes running back in and saying, honey, honey, come here. Come look at this. So, all right. Ooh, life. I like that. Well, it's real life right now. She is darling. And on to the next adventure, chapter number 7, a cute tag, funky heart, wonky heart, lemon. And I guess those are sunglasses. And there is an R. And I bet, let's see what that spells. So more wonky hearts. There's 3 of those. Flowers, flowers, which I adore. And a U. Oh, it's going to be summer. E. Here's a tab for the top. So here's another letter and another letter. And today, these are just perfect for journaling. And look at this. This is a rainbow that's like hanging on a wall with a ribbon and a tag. Isn't that cute? Super cute. Another tag. Another kind of a long skinny tag like those. And another one of those. So gray, pink, and kind of a mustard. Here's more lemons, which I'm getting ready to go process a whole bunch of, I've been worked on fruit and vegetables until 3 in the morning. I am pooped. There's another another flower. I've been doing that for the last couple of days. So if I sound silly, that's why. So here is a tassel banner. Here is an ampersand. So I'm going to put that over here. Another tab, which are great. There's the S for summer. And then lots and lots of stars right there. And I think, are they different colors? Let's see, we've got a gray, a pink, another kind of darker pink, a lighter gray. Looks like that one's white. That one's kind of a pinky, and then there's that mustard. And then here's another wonky heart. So super, 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 super cute. Jeannie and her team are amazing, and I am just so thankful for them. Every time I think about how can I cut back, should I cut this back, and I've cut it back once before when COVID hit, and I'm trying everything I can not to, because I love supporting her and her team. They do such a quality job on their products, and I find what's really interesting is there's a lot of similarities with the By the Well for God and Felicity Jane, and even I think they have at least one designer that is shared between the two companies. So anyways, it's a very interesting connection, and yeah, so alright, but I'm going to get all this put back in if I can. And I just saw my husband. I guess he's coming in out of the rain and the thunder. Alright, and I've got 2 more stars. Okay, guys. So, love, 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 love Miss Amanda. She is darling. So, there is that. And now, we've got all the journaling cards. And I'm just going to quickly kind of go one. And you know, they're either graph or grid on behind. So, there's a grid. So, very cute. Cute, cute, cute. And actually, I should be sorting these because I really like graph and grid. I keep them, when I do these, I know it's so weird that I do that, but I sort them. I sort them from graph and grid. So I love the summer. I love that too. Okay. And here is a darling little like library card looking one. So stars and play and kind of mustardy colored lemons. And then that is beautiful. And then I always throw that in there, and that's how I sort them when I get ready to use them. So, love, love, love. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, goodness. Alright, so there's that. Now, ooh, I have not seen any of the shares. So this is a chipboard bits, 16 pieces. So I've not seen any of the shares. Oh, I love that. That little pink, I don't know if it's an SUV or an old-fashioned station wagon. Either way, I love it. I drove old Suburbans forever, and I drove one that was like tan and brown, and one of my mom and dad's neighbors would say, I love seeing it. It's like it's a big school bus coming. It was in 1983, so I love that camera. Oh, happy camper. Well, this is the perfect kit to use for, maybe I'll switch these out and use this one for our camp. In my journal, I love that. That is darling. I wish they had that to buy. I would get me one of those. I always threaten that when we had one old Suburban that our oldest daughter, drive for a short while until, you know, it's not drivable. And anyways, so she had said she was going to get it painted pink, and my husband said, well, it's going to look like a big pink pig coming down the hall, down the road. I love that. Anyway, so super, super cute. Love all these. Again, I may just switch out and let this be my, but I think the colors in the other kit were better. We'll see. But, yeah, she wanted to get it painted pink, because at that time I was with Mary Kay, and she had joined Mary Kay, and so everything was pink, pink, pink. As I sit here in my pink t-shirt. Pink t-shirt and leggings. Alright, so, ooh, look at that washi is so pretty. I hope you can see it. It's got little pink flowers and navy and gray background, and it's just got really nice design. I love that. Ooh, look at these puffy shapes. Oh, super cute. This is what I would use my little tweezers on, because my hands are not good right now. So, super cute. Oh, looks like a bookmark? What is this? Or is it just ribbon? Maybe it's just a piece of ribbon. It is. I'm not going to pull it out because I'll never get it back in. It's just a real pretty piece of grosgrain ribbon with that dark green, kind of a forest green. Oh, look at the stamps. Let's go somewhere. A day at the pool. Huh, I miss the pool. Backyard camp out. That's cute. Summertime, road trip, fresh air, family time, outdoor adventures, bucket list, a little sunshine, farmer's market. I ordered these stamps yesterday. I mean, these stickers yesterday from a gal. I guess she found me and she sent me her stuff, and so she asked me to do a review, and she had some farmer's market stickers. Did I order them? I think I looked at them. Anyways, and I thought, my kitchen is a farmer's market from on my garden. So anyways, weekend getaway. Every summer has a story. Vacation. Here we go. And all of these fun icons. And it says Amanda, of course. Sunny days. Summer mood. So I really love this. That is fun. Fun, fun, fun. Yeah, no, I was, we used to always go to the farmer's market, but if we put any more plants and veggies and fruit and trees and vines and whatever else in, we're never going to need a farmer's market. And my poor husband put in the last 2 raised beds. We'll put in 4 more potato sacks that'll be either 5 or 7 gallon, because I've got plain potatoes. We have so many sweet potatoes everywhere. If the leaves indicate how many potatoes are there, what a blessing. So I am literally dehydrating the leaves right now to save, because I cut them up and I put them in stir fry. If you do not eat sweet potato leaves, they are amazing. And I really love, we have some that have like a crimson vine, and next year that's the one I will make sure I keep several of those potatoes, and those are the ones that I will plant for next year. They are beautiful. And I was just out looking at all my okras, and I've got one okra that's throwing 2 different leaves, so it's a hybrid of some sort, I think. We've got one okra that has gorgeous crimson, and then another one just plain green. And we are just, I couldn't walk in without a handful of tomatoes. It was just, and those were the little tiny ones. So, and it was rain and winds were getting high, so I didn't keep picking. So you can hear my husband blowing the blower. He cracks me up. So anyway, so here are my letters and my numbers that come with this kit, and of course they're raised and very beautiful. And I'm so sorry about the noise. He doesn't realize. So this is my Felicity Jane beautiful kit for the month of July. And yeah, I mean, August will be here any minute. So I'm definitely late, but better late than never. And I'm glad I opened it because it's perfect, because tomorrow starts our spring summer Bible journaling camp for the month of August. So I will love using this. So, okay, friends, I pray that your day, and I may use this in a minute. We're still not sure. But anyways, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Sorry about the noise, and sorry about the crazy weather lately. Goodness gracious. It is definitely very dark and ominous right now. So anyways, we're just praying for rain. But all right, guys, I hope you guys are having a great day. Most importantly, I pray that your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for this email or this video if it would help anybody else. And just know, most importantly, you are a blessing. You are such a blessing. And thank you for being here. Thank you for spending your time with me today. All right, guys, I'll be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care and be safe. Love you. Bye-bye.